Hey everyone, it's great to have you back on the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart. Literally. We're talking about heart health, and I'm going to share 10 essential tips that can help you keep your ticker ticking strong for years to come. We all know that heart disease is a major concern, but the good news is that many cases are preventable. By adopting healthy habits, we can significantly reduce our risk and live longer, healthier lives. This isn't about drastic changes. It's about making small, sustainable improvements that add up over time. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support helps me create more content and reach more viewers. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you. Let's kick things off with the foundation of good health, a balanced diet. Think of your food as fuel for your body, especially your heart. Just like a car needs the right type of fuel to run smoothly, your heart needs nutrient-rich foods to function optimally. So what does a heart-healthy diet look like? Load up on fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants, fiber-rich whole grains, and lean protein sources. Swap out saturated and trans fats for healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And don't forget about the importance of limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating one healthy swap at a time. Maybe it's choosing brown rice over white rice, adding a colorful salad to your dinner, or snacking on a handful of almonds instead of chips. Every step counts. Now that we've covered the fuel, let's talk about getting your heart pumping with regular exercise. Physical activity is like a magic potion for your heart. It strengthens the heart muscle, improves blood flow, and helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity each week. Moderate intensity activities include brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. If you're up for a challenge, try jogging, height workouts, or playing a sport you enjoy. Remember, you don't have to become a marathon runner overnight. Start gradually and find activities you genuinely enjoy. Make exercise a part of your daily routine, whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a walk during your lunch break, or dancing to your favorite music. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for heart health. Carrying excess weight, especially around the abdomen, puts extra strain on your heart and increases your risk of developing heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. The key to weight management is finding a balance between the calories you consume and the calories you burn through physical activity. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Remember, sustainable weight loss takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Focus on making gradual changes to your lifestyle, such as portion control, mindful eating, and regular exercise. And remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your heart. It damages blood vessels, increases blood pressure and heart rate, and reduces the amount of oxygen that reaches your heart. It's a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems. If you smoke, quitting is the single most important step you can take to improve your heart health. It's not easy, but it's definitely worth it. There are many resources available to help you quit, including nicotine replacement therapy, medication, and support groups. Talk to your doctor about the best options for you. Remember, even secondhand smoke can be harmful to your heart. If you live with a smoker, encourage them to quit and make sure your home and car are smoke-free. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some heart benefits, excessive drinking can take a toll on your cardiovascular system. It can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, stroke, and other health problems. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For men, that means up to 2 drinks per day, and for women, up to 1 drink per day. It's also important to be mindful of the type of alcohol you consume. Choose drinks with lower sugar content and avoid binge drinking. Remember, if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always best to consult with your doctor about the potential risks and benefits of alcohol consumption. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion for many of us. But chronic stress can wreak havoc on your heart health. It can lead to elevated blood pressure, increased heart rate, and unhealthy coping mechanisms like overeating or smoking. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for protecting your heart. Explore stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature. Make time for activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Remember, stress management is an ongoing practice. It's about finding what works best for you and incorporating it into your daily routine. Even small steps like taking a few minutes to breathe deeply or listening to calming music can make a difference. Prevention is key when it comes to heart health. Regular health screenings can help identify potential problems early on, when they're easier to treat. Make sure you're up to date on your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar checks. Your doctor may recommend additional screenings based on your age, family history, and lifestyle. These could include an electrocardiogram or EKG to measure your heart's electrical activity, or an echocardiogram to assess your heart's structure and function. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed about your heart health, you can take proactive steps to prevent problems and maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you've been prescribed medication for a heart condition, it's crucial to take it as directed by your doctor. Medication adherence plays a vital role in managing your condition and preventing complications. Skipping doses or stopping medication without consulting your doctor can have serious consequences. It can lead to a worsening of your condition, hospitalization, or even life-threatening events. Remember, your doctor has prescribed the medication for a reason. If you have any concerns about side effects or the medication itself, talk to them. They can adjust your treatment plan or address your concerns to ensure you receive the best possible care. Believe it or not, getting enough sleep is essential for a healthy heart. When you don't get enough shut-eye, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to elevated blood pressure and other heart problems. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity for good health. Prioritize sleep like you would any other healthy habit. You might be surprised to learn that staying hydrated is also important for heart health. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume decreases, which forces your heart to work harder to pump blood throughout your body. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. The amount you need can vary depending on your activity level and climate, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses per day. Remember, thirst is a sign that you're already dehydrated. Listen to your body and sip water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Thank you for watching. Remember, taking small steps can lead to big improvements in your heart health. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually work your way up. Your heart is your most precious organ. Take care of it by making healthy choices. Fuel it with nutritious foods, get it pumping with regular exercise, and manage stress effectively. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.